to Bitofpizza. Today we've got the Megane 265. Not just any 265, it's the Cup edition. So what that actually means is just lower suspension and it's a bit more stiffer, a bit more comfortable, but around the corners it fucking goes, it's so quick. Big fan of it, big fan of it. Horsepower wise, 261 brake horsepower to be specific. Don't know why I'm telling you the exact amount. And it's got that feature where when you press the sport button, it unlocks the full power. When it's not on the sport button, I think it's like on 240 horsepower or something like that. The sport button unlocks the power.
The sport button
unlocks the power, and it does something to the ESP. It makes it looser. So when you're going through the corners, it's like wiggly in that. Yeah. So in regards to the actual exterior, it's not massively different from a sort of TCE edition Megane, but it definitely is sort of subtle in a way that, you know, a Focus RS is quite loud. This is quite more subtle. Not the best looking Megane, not gonna lie. Sorry, Burkhan, but it's fucking quick, and around corners this thing just fucking grips and it slings you out, and it's just fucking, it's like stealth in Fort Park.
Renault sport cars are underrated.
But yeah, this is the thing with Renault sport cars. They're like the Porsche GT models.
The poor man's Porsche.
Yes, poor man's Porsche GT3, 100%. Actually, this is a poor man's Porsche GT3.
Well, it's not really poor. It's more like working class.
But yeah, exactly. It's working class. Yeah, or not even working class.
Middle
like,
class.
Just whatever you know.
Single.
So the biggest things with this car is it's got these brakes, which are Brembo. They're just Brembo. So I don't know what fucking model they are. It's the Brembo ones with the valve caps on top. So maybe that's got some special thing to it.
Maybe they are 6-piston calipers.
No, they're definitely 6 pistons.
Birkin, are they 6 pistons?
They're not 6 pistons, man.
Are they 4-pot brakes? Oh.
4 pots. It's
We'll
got
just
4
edit that
pot
out.
brakes. So when you jump on the brakes, it stops like that. Like that. And this is how it stops.
Wait, one more time?
This is how it stops, ready? Sorry, I'm almost fucking stoned your car. Obviously, that's what you tell your girlfriend, because obviously you tell you've got a cup. And that's what you tell your girlfriend while you're sighting, because obviously you want to get a new...
That's when you pull up the light at the lights and you see like a nice girl.
And you've gapped somebody. And
you're
like,
with
oh,
your
who was
girl.
that?
You're with your girl, so you can't give them your personal.
Exactly that, man. Oh, yeah, exactly. Yeah, that's actually pretty intelligent.
Decent idea, actually.
So this is the interior of the Megane 265 Cup. Yeah, I mean, it's just a Renault interior, really. There's not much about it. These were available with the CS Recaro option, the Club Sports, which whoever didn't spec from new is an absolute spastic, because they're the best seats available.
Well,
like we said
these
in
are
Jordan's
comfortable.
video.
These are comfortable for long
But yeah, they're
journeys,
comfortable, exactly,
but not around country roads.
We'll do the 6'4" fatty test, see if it works. Yep, 6'4" fatty does fit inside.
Put your legs in.
Well. Yeah, perfect. Clutch feels quite...
So it's very practical if you're a tall lad.
Perfect, man, not too bad. 6 speeds. This has got, obviously, like I said, sport button in it. Sorry, I just watched a few reviews beforehand. That's all they were talking about, sport buttons.
This was a very spontaneous video.
Yeah, it was a spontaneous video, so
We were
literally planned
in the area.
we were in the area. He helped us out, and that was the plan.
Exhaust?
Central exhaust, obviously. Resonator delete, and
Back box delete,
box delete. Yeah.
but it's still got the...
Let's have a look, see if he's lying. We don't want no liars on this channel. No, I'm joking. No, it actually has got a back box delete. Fucking hell, look at the spare tyre thing. It's all down here.
There's a spare tyre?
Spare tyre?
That's mad.
It's got a tyre shaped thing, I don't know what it is.
So, got its primary cat, no centre res, no back box.
Yeah.
Sounds amazing.
Sounds amazing. Really, really, it's a rapid thing, as you'll see in the video, obviously. Basically, it's had a bit of crash, as you can see. This is not factory. That's not factory, obviously, the thing, the size cuts are missing. But that's only because our owner had a bit of excitement with the old steering wheel. Nothing to do with the car's handling. The car handles perfectly, but the owner had a bit of
You ran out of
gap
talent.
sesh, and I can't really tell you what happened. But this is the other side of the interior. The only thing that really differentiates it between a normal one is the side plates, and that again. But like I said, it doesn't really matter about the interior, does it? It's more about the driving experience, which is what this gives you.
It sure is.
Like I said, this is a baby GT3, GT3 RS. Bit of carbon here. It's not even carbon, is it? That's yeah, that's like leather, velcro.
It's something.
Open the bonnet. Let's go. Come, yeah. We'll ignore that. Just ignore that.
Go on, you should be used to this.
Hey! There you go. 2 litres, turbocharged.
Big fat
No LSD,
turbo.
has it? It has got an LSD. Fucking hell, it has got an LSD. So this thing really does handle well. So yeah, obviously you got your air intake. Right? Is that an air intake?
Yeah, that's an air intake.
That's intercooler pipe.
Silicone boost pipe.
Silicone boost pipe.
And then you've got a recirc valve. If you can see that, it's through there. Gives it a nice sound when you change gear.
Yeah, so it has the same power as the limited edition trophy. Don't know why I put that in, but I put it in anyway, just to let you know. And it's electric steering as well, so usually electric steering can be a bit boring and flat, as I'm sure you know, but this one handles fucking amazingly, despite being electric. So
Yeah, the only annoying thing is you have to charge it.
that's embarrassing, man. We're going to do a start up, show you outside, so listen to this bitch.
That sounds sick. A big improvement from
That is
stock.
a big improvement. He's going to get a decat fitted to it, which we will revisit again at some point, and when it's fixed as well, maybe it drives a bit better. But yeah, so far not a bad car, you know, not a bad car. I mean, look how nice it looks.
How much can you pick these up for nowadays?
You're looking at around 6,000-7,000, right? For a higher miler shit box, 910, sorry. Maybe 6,700, I'll be looking somewhere else, but yeah, about
But
910.
for what it is, like,
It's a bargain, man.
yeah.
You got to remember, these cars brand new were 23,000 pounds, so you're getting a bargain now. And
I just think they're overlooked because no one wants a car with a Renault badge. But when you're gapping people in German cars on country roads, what have you
that
paid
is
for?
the issue. No one does want a car with a French badge. But how's reliability been for you, mate? That's not too bad then. What the fuck was that? Sounds like fucking Demogorgon. Fucking hell. But yeah, that's the outside. We're gonna go for a little drive now and show you how this thing sounds.
Get some flybys.
Sweet. Let's do it then.
Let's go.
Big scared. As you can feel, the rear end's just so tight. Clip it. Popping the bag in away. That electric steering. Fucking hell. I'm so scared. She must be shitting herself. Imagine when you hear it just pop, 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 pop. Steering's so nice. Yeah, I'm a big fan of that.
You know what? This is a driver's car from the
It's a
fucking
driver's car.
passenger seat. Oh, there goes the mic.
Brakes are on.
Fuck. Yeah, I think so.
Is it a driver's
I
car?
got it, but
Yeah.
it dropped. I got it, and then the mic dropped off.
Smell the brakes.
Okay, let me stop recording.
Alright, let's try not to have an accident this time. By the way, we was doing the speed limit, it was just that truck pulled out of nowhere. Fucking non-blanket.
It's cool, we got his reg.
Don't worry about speed.
Sounds so good.
Just testing the brakes. Just in case. Oh, it sounds like an RS Cosworth.
It actually does, there's so much induction noise.
Oh, fuck off. Only speed on the straight lines. What's the new door between phones?
This is what happens in it actually
sense,
was,
yeah.
but I can just say I'm testing my camera, so it's cool.
Right, so that was the drive in the Megane. As you can tell, it's a bit, it's fucking crazy, honestly. It handles so well.
It's just we're not on the right roads for it.
Yeah, we're not on the right roads, and if we had this car in Surrey, I'd be fucking crying even more because I've got to experience it properly.
Like we can see the potential in the car.
But yeah, exactly. You can see the potential in the car. You can see how it handles, and it does a great job of hold the fucking camera straight. Fucking retard. Sorry. Paying this guy, man. Fucking, I'm not paying him actually. Pay him in love. Anyway, yeah, it's great. You feel the electric steering a little bit, but otherwise it's not too bad. And the pops and bangs are worth it for it alone. But like I said, for 10 grand, you can't really get any better, to be honest. As you can tell, for a 6'4" lad like me, you can fit in the back. But yeah, that was the video with Megane RS. Fucking amazing. Really, really quick. Unfortunately, due to the brake pads being new and not settled in, we couldn't give it the full
beans.
Full beans, full enchilada. He's wanking himself off there, that's what he's doing. He's getting the tyre. Fucking hell, it's going to be then. I'm just going to call fucking Bilioni.
Alright, so as a summary,
Yeah.
lots of induction noise.
Yeah, lots of induction noise, lots of pops and bangs. Electric steering doesn't need full electric, feels hydraulic. It's really,
Pinpoint,
really
you literally pin it somewhere, it will take you there.
Yeah, pin it somewhere, I'll take you there, so direct. And don't go to North London if you want to drive fast.
Because
Because there's
fucking speed bumps everywhere,
bumps,
please.
30.
People with dogs shouting at
Basically,
us.
just come to where I live, I'm sorry. There's some fucking sick roads there.
But I feel
It's
like
amazing.
we haven't done this car much justice, have we?
No, we haven't done this car justice. We will get it again when it's got the decat and it's all repaired, so it looks a bit nicer. But this is just, like I said, a spontaneous video to show you just how good this car is. I would recommend it 100%. Like I said, all its rivals are still priced quite highly. This is kind of appreciated more because of the brand being a Renault. But yeah, I'd recommend it for sure. But yeah, like, subscribe and comment.
And don't come to North London.
And don't come to North London.
Yeah.